Fix black bars on the sides of the screen. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix black bars on the sides of the screen. When utilizing a high-end computer monitor, such as a top-rated 1440p monitor and a PC to run Windows 10 and equivalent operating systems. One of the most annoying problems is the emergence of enigmatic black bars on the edges of the display. It can be very unpleasant to use a device that starts to display these unsightly black bars after doing extensive research and reading numerous monitor reviews. However, it's a very different problem if you notice vertical lines on your computer monitor. Before attempting to troubleshoot, make sure you can discern these lines apart from the black bars on the monitor's sides. You may occasionally receive a black border if your resolution settings allow you to set it higher than what your monitor can handle. On the front of the monitor itself, check for an auto button or a button that functions similarly to calibrate the display. As these buttons are frequently difficult to traverse, you might need to consult the user manual for your display. However, an auto button is typically present on monitors for this reason. To make your wallpaper fit the screen, you might only need to stretch it. If your mouse moves into the black border, this is useful even if it has a black border. For instance, in Windows 7, select Desktop Background Settings and modify the setting to fill the screen. If you're utilizing an ATI video card and connecting your monitors using HDMI cables or adapters, there is a setting in the ATI Catalyst Control Center program that can address this problem, which has to do with what is referred to as overscanning or scaling. Make sure you're using the proper display resolution as your first line of defense in the fight against Windows 10's black border issue. Right-click any empty spot on your desktop and then choose Display Settings to view the resolution of your screen. Check to see if the recommended screen resolution is being used by scrolling down to Display Resolution. If not, widen the drop-down and select the suggestion Windows offers. The issue may occasionally be resolved by updating the display adapter's drivers. Select Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button to do that. Expand the list under Display Adapters, and then click the device you want to update, and from the Contacts menu, choose Update Driver. Select Find Drivers automatically to simplify the process. By doing this, Windows will identify and install the finest display adapter drivers that are out there.